Okay, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns, and first we'll go over what that means and why you may want to do it. So you can see here I've got this spreadsheet. I've got lots of columns, more columns than I can see at once. And I have lots of rows, more rows than I can see at once. So now typically when you're working on a spreadsheet, you have a lot of relevant information in the top row and the first column. Things that show you sort of what you're looking at, or headers. So let's say first I want to just freeze this top row so that no matter where I scroll, I can always see these headers. All I'm going to do, it's super easy. I'm just going to go, normally you're on the Home tab. I'm just going to go to the View tab up here, go to Freeze Panes, and click Freeze Top Row. And now as I scroll down, my header is always there. I can always see what column I'm looking at, what the relevant information means. I can do the same thing where I freeze the first column, if that's helpful. It will unfreeze my top row when I do that, but now as I scroll across, I can always see the indent level, which is not particularly helpful. What I really want to see here is column B. And what I would also really like to do is as I scroll down, I'd like to see these first two rows so I can see what everything compares to the all items row. So it's pretty simple to do. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to cell C3. I'm going to go one row below where I want to freeze and one column to the right of where I want to freeze. So I want to freeze rows 1 and 2. So I'm going to row 3, and I want to freeze columns A and B. So I'm going to column C. Then I'm just going to go up here to my freeze panes. Oh, first I have to unfreeze my panes. There we go. My first column was still frozen. So now that it's unfrozen, I can go to Freeze Panes, pick this first option, Freeze Panes, and now it's frozen there. So as I scroll across, I can see the category, and as I scroll down, I can see the row header as well as what the all items value is. And that's it. And then when you're done, if you want to go back to normal, you just go to Unfreeze Panes, and now we're back to how we were. As I scroll down, I lose my header. As I scroll right and left, I lose my first two columns that show me the categories. And that's it.